Guys, Dave Plummer from DavePlummer.com. Now, I usually introduce myself as saying it's beautiful here in Stockton-on-Tees. It gets a little bit boring, but it actually is absolutely a rare occasion we've actually seen sunshine in Teesside. Now, look, I just want to tell you a little bit about my lifestyle and life story. Now, I'm 59-year-old. I've been here, I've been there, I've had my ups and downs. I'm having a great time at work at the moment, but we're always looking for something new, new horizons. I'm not saying I'm the best businessman in the world. I've had some fantastic failures, but look, basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to promote a business called Six Figure Mentors. It's been around a long time. It's run by a great guy called Stuart Ross, Jay Kubasek. Very good friends. They've been in business a lot of times, and they are digital masters, absolute digital experts. Now look, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my story of where I'm from, how I've got to being 59-year-old, the failures along the way, the successes along the way, and just generally tell you a little bit about my lifestyle. You can get to know me, and let's hope we get to know each other. Now look, I'm not going to go back into the old childhood and all the bits and pieces and fighting with your mates at school, which we all did. But getting back into my later career, shall we say, from my early teens into my 20s, we had a great I was county football. I was a county football goalkeeper for over 4 seasons at my junior school in Rosebery in Billingham. It was a fantastic life. I loved it to bits. Played with some now semi-professional and professional footballers who went on to have great careers. Played county football, as I said, and had a great career as county goalkeeper for what it was called then, County Durham. Played 4 seasons under a guy called Mr. Sharrett. I don't know whether he's still around. He was a Billingham guy, lovely guy, toughest man you could ever beat. Played great football when we were playing for Rosebery Juniors, and then into the County Durham football team. Moving on through that, as I left school, as we all did, we all went into jobs. Some of them we loved, some of them we didn't love. I personally chose to be a car mechanic with my best friend Paul King, who I'm still friends with today. Great friends, have a drink now and then, but life moves on. We both started at the same company, had a 4 or 5 year career there, went on to be car mechanics, and in my early 20s I drifted into push bike, road bike racing, cycle racing, and then into the fantastic world of motorcycle racing. Racing with the likes of Barry Sheene and some of the world superstars, and albeit I never got to their level, I had some fantastic lifestyle travelling around Europe and internationally in some cases. You know, it's a funny old game, the sports game, the racing game, motorcycles in general. You know, some people love them, some people hate them. I love them, I still do. I'm not involved in motorcycle racing as much as I would like to be, but that day's around the corner. Now look, as I've said, there's great success in life, and I've had some great successes. You know, I've been a successful person. I've been a car chauffeur. I've owned a car chauffeuring business. I've owned a mortgage brokerage. I've owned a website promotion business. I've owned an advertising agency. There's pretty much, I'm a well-grounded guy. I've done all sorts. Unfortunately, as I moved through my life and the motorcycles disappeared out of my life through a fairly serious incident in the Isle of Man at the Manx TT, which is the semi-professional version of the TT. I had a fairly nasty accident coming out of what they call a Ramsey hairpin, and basically that finished my racing career, and from that day, some, hate to say it, 30 years ago, I've never raced a motorbike since, which is a real shame. But moving forward to that, I then got involved in motorcycles, running a motorcycle shop in Stockton-on-Tees, and had a great time there. You know, so anyway, moving on to our later lives. We all get in our later lives, and I'm in mid-life crisis life, shall we say, and it's you know, I'm enjoying life. It's good. I've got a great job. We're trying to build a business at the same time. I am in partnership in a property portfolio, and life's good. But we all look for new ideas, new inspiration. I feel I'm a fairly inspirational guy. I suffer from something called tinnitus, which is, for you who don't know what that is, it's a horrible thing. It's a ringing in the ears or a buzzing in the ears, and it can drive you mad and do your face in sometimes, but life goes on. Now look, I'm not going to get boring. It's just a case of, look, I'm trying to tell you where I've been, what I've done. Yeah, you can have failures, but look, let's try and make some successes. Life's short, life's fun, let's have fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.